Hey guys, how you all doing out there today? Really hot in here, it's absolutely baking in the UK at the minute, so I thought I would put a spicy lick out there for you to learn. So there is going to be a free tab in the description below, so download that. Also, I'll put in the backing track. I'm also taking on some private online students, so if you would like lessons with me, I will leave my email address below. But yeah, feel free to ping me over a message. So this lick is in kind of like an A Dorian or E minor. You can use it over E minor as well, but I think the track is mainly a Dorian feel over like an A minor 11. So the lick starts, I played it at the start of the video, obviously at full speed, it's at 120 BPM. So it starts with this like spread triads idea. So I'm basically playing a C major spread triad. So I've talked about spread triads before, so what a spread triad is before I get on with the lick. Say if I'm taking a C major triad, which I do at the start here, which is 1, 3, 5. That's called a closed triad, okay? 1, 3, 5. Now what a spread triad would be, I would take the middle note, so the third in this case, and I would put it up an octave. So instead of it being, it is now, okay? So I can also do that down here. So it would be 1, 5, and the third on the top, okay? So it starts off with this, and then I go into a D major triad as well, a spread triad. So it's, now how I finger this is the way Eric Johnson fingers it, because it's a very like Eric Johnson kind of thing. You know, that kind of vibe. So how he does it is, I'm on the 3rd fret here on the A string, and then I hit my 3rd finger on the 5th fret on the D string. So it's basically like how you would play a power chord, the 5th. Pick, and then I hybrid pick on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay, so I'm going A string, D string, B string. But the way I'm fingering it, you would think it would be 1, 3, and then the little finger. But I'm going 1, 3, and then coming in with my middle finger, which is the way he plays it. So I've got, and then I do the same up 2 frets, so to a D major spread triad. So I've got, now as I've hybrid pick on that B string, so the B string is always hybrid pick on the spread triads, I'm going to hammer on with my 3rd finger on the 8th fret, and then I'm going to come to the high E string and hit the 5th fret on the high E, and then hammer on to the 10th fret on the high E. So that initial lick, okay, at the start is particularly quite tricky. But you don't have to play it to the full speed of the track, but it's the hardest part, I think, of this lick. Okay, just that little part there, I know it doesn't seem fast or tricky at that kind of speed, but when you want to play it like 16th note at 120, it is quite nippy. So I've got, so that itself, like I say, you can play that over like an A minor 11 or A minor 7, you can also play it over like a straight E minor kind of key. But yeah, so I've got, now as I hammer on to the 10th fret on my high E string, I then, this is the next little lick, okay, another stretch at the end here. So I'm going to the 9th fret on the G, 10th fret, this is with my middle finger by the way, so 9, 10th fret with the 3rd finger on the B, 7th fret on the high E, hammer on to 12 on the high E. So slowly so far we got, okay, so that's what we have so far. Not too bad, but like I say, when you start building it up to speed, it does get tricky with the way your finger's going. So what I would say with the hybrid picking, you don't have to hybrid pick, but I'm hybrid picking on the B string here, hybrid pick, hammer, and all that is picked and like hammer as well. You can pick it if you're a nutter and can alternate pick it. I mean, hats off to you. Yeah. So as we hammer onto that 12 with a little finger, I then slide up to the 15th fret. So it's going to sound like this. Pull off to 12 on the high E, 13 on the B, 14 on the G, pull off to 12 on the G. So it's Okay, so from the start, nice and slow. Okay, now as I do that, I then jump to the 15th fret on the A string. So here's a string skip here. I then hybrid pick back to the 12th fret on the G. So that's where that hybrid pick is coming back into play. So pick the 15 back and then pull off to the 12th fret again. So we've got as I hit the 12, I'm then going to slide up to the 14th fret with my first finger. Now this can be a tricky part again because I'm going to use another spread triad here. So this is kind of like a G major spread triad starting from the 3rd of G. So it's the 3rd, the root, and then the 5th. So fret-wise on the A string, we have the 14th fret on the A, 17th fret on the D string, and then I'm hybrid picking the 15th fret on the B string, okay? So that's a B note, a G note, okay, and a D note. So pick, pick, hybrid pick. So let me just play from the start. As I hybrid pick that note on the B string, I then hammer on with my little finger on the 17th fret on the B. So it's, okay, so there's a lot of intervallic play going on here. I'm string skipping, I'm hybrid picking. So it's sounding really nice and intervallic and you know, hopefully melodic. As I hammer on with that little finger from that middle finger, now you might find that tough hammering from the middle to the little. It might be a weak point for you. So really just pay attention to that. I slide to the 19th fret on that B, so it's, and then I'm hybrid picking the 15th fret on the high E string there. So let me just break that down again. So I've got, so that's that section there. So I'm sliding from the 12, 14, 17 on the D, hybrid picking to the 15 on the B, hammer to 17 on the B, sliding to 19 on the B, and then 15 on the high E. So we've got from the start, I'm then going to pick that B string again, which I'm on the 19th fret, so I get this kind of cluster sound. Okay, next section. So I then hit the G string on the 16th fret with my middle finger, 17th fret up pick on the D string, on the 17th fret, 16 on the D, 14 on the D. So let me just play that again. Again guys, go at your own pace. The tab is in the description, so break it down as slow as you like, okay? I'm just helping you with the initial part of seeing it on video first. So, from the start. Okay, so we got to, I then hit the 17th fret on the A, pull off to the 14th fret on the A, so it's, as I pull off, I hammer on to the 15th fret with my middle finger on the A, and then hybrid pick the 14th fret on the G string. So it's back to the 15th fret on the A, back to the hybrid pick on the 14th fret on the G, and then hammer on to the 16th fret on the G with my third finger. So that bit. So I'll go from the top because it's a bit easier like that. Okay, as I've done that hammer on to the 16th fret on the G, I then slide to 17 on the G. So it's, and then I hit 15 on the B, 15 on the high E, 17 on the high E, slide to 19 on the high E. I think that's what I do. Yeah, and then I bend 21 up to the 22nd fret. So there's the lick. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Give it a go. Please tag me in it if you do give it a go. I'll love to watch it back. So like I say, backing track in the description, and the tab is also in the description. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Please don't forget to like the video. It really does help out. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you at the next one.